Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fair Fusion. I'm Anish, and again I'm back with a job notification update, right? So NTRO has come up with scientist B recruitment, right? So NTRO is National Technical Research Organization. It is a government company basically. So it has come up with scientist B post, and the pay scale is level 10 as per government rules, right? It is like P matrix is 56,100 to 1,77,500, right? So yeah, these are the individual components: basic pay, DNS allowance, like this special allowance, HRA, government contribution, and transport allowance. You can see the breakup, right? And you will also get additional allowances and facilities like annual increment, medical facilities, LTC, children education, government, all these things, right? So you will get all these things, and also you can see the like career prospects. And what are the service conditions? Like you will be appointed as scientist B, right? And you have to perform like in India, wherever they give you the location, right? Or in some C, right? So and you will be in probation for a period of 2 years. So probation period is for 2 years, right? Now who can apply? Basically EC people can apply. Electrical and like iron, they don't have any seats, right? So EC people can apply. And what are the eligibility criteria? I will tell all those, right? So like seats for UR is 11, SC 7, ST 3, OBC 12, and EWS is 2, right? So total 35, okay, including few backlogs are left, right? So yeah, basically you should feel around to EC, or you are, if you are from computer science branch, right, you can fill this also. Okay, what are the eligibility conditions? Basically, what are the eligibility conditions? Basically, right, first you have to have a valid gate score, right, of gate 2021, gate 2022, or gate 2023, right? You have to have at least a valid gate score of all these 3 years, right? So this is one important thing. And what are the essential qualifications? Essential qualifications, right? Either you have a master's degree in or either of this branch, or you have a bachelor's degree, right, in either of these branch, right? So this is important. Okay, just check the branches and you can check, right? For computer science also same. Okay, so yeah, now like combination, like if you have two or more specified disciplines, right, if you have masters also, bachelor's also, that is not an issue, that is totally fine, right? That is fine. And yeah, dual degree of the entire course uh, are also may also apply. If you have dual degree, right, like dual MTech plus BTech degree, they may also apply, so you are also eligible, right? So yeah, that is one thing. Now here they have told you like how to calculate the marks and all those things. You just check, read this point. And age limit is not exceeding 30 years as on the crucial date of eligibility. So crucial date of eligibility, they have told, right, previously I think they given us the crucial date of eligibility. Where was it? Yeah, closing date. I think the closing date will be crucial date of eligibility. If I can find it out somewhere. Yeah, this is the crucial date of eligibility. You just check once, this will be most probably the crucial date, right? So yeah, now like this is the age limit, and like different conditions are given for other category of people. You can check, right? So few notes are given and how to apply, right? So first obviously you have to pay, like if you're from general category, you have to pay 250 rupees, right? You have to pay 250 rupees. And if you're from other categories, your fee may be exempted, right? And you have to have a valid gate score out of all this, right? And for geo informatics and remote sensing, only these 2 years. So for EC, like for EC, I hope you're watching. So these 3 years of gate score is valid, right? So you have to apply online. Go to the website. I will give the link to the website, right, in the description. You can go to the website and you can apply. Now what is the scheme of the examination? Basically, what is the scheme, right? Scheme is basically name of the post is scientist B. So there are, firstly you will be shortlisted with the gate score, not with the gate marks, not with the gate rank. You will be shortlisted with the gate score, right? Now they shortlist you with the gate score, then like you have to give a written test. So after they shortlist the names, right, a list will come up, and who are selected, they will be eligible for sitting in the written exam. So first you will sit in the written exam where 100 questions will be there, right? And each of these questions will contain 2 marks each, so total 200 marks, and it will have a negative marking of half, right? Negative marking of half. So 1/4 is the negative marking. So what I would suggest is you can guess, second guess a few, right? So as negative marking is very low, you can second guess, right? And the duration of exam is 2 years. Sorry, not 2 years, 2 hours, right? So 100 question 2 hours is, I think it's okay, because I think the pattern will be easy. I think the pattern will be easy. Difficulty level will be easier than gate, but I can predict, right? And then yeah, if you cleared that, like there will be some minimal eligibility criteria. Now, obviously they will select, right, some ratio. Okay, the ratio will be something like this, right? They will select some ratio like for interviews. So in the interview you have to go, and you have, like, the interview will contain of 50 marks, right? And like it will be on New Delhi only on New Delhi, right? So yeah, you will be shortlisted. Like now the final list will be uh, contain the weightage of both this interview, this written examination, and also the gate score, right? So it is important. So it will contain the weightage of all three. And how is the weightage? Like how is the weightage is like for gate score, right? Gate score, it is 50%. For the marks obtained in stage 1, that is the written test, it is 30%. And for the marks obtained in the interview, that is the stage 2, is 20% weightage, right? So yeah, this is the basically weightage. And what are the qualifying marks? Max, like out of maximum of 50 marks of stage 2, minimum qualifying marks is 50%, right? Minimum qualifying marks is 50%. And same for the written test, 50% minimum qualifying marks is there. You have to minimum get 50% marks, right? So 100 marks you have to get. Okay, so that is the basically qualifying marks. Okay, so yeah, like they have told you about the post, all these things, just read once, and like gate score, all these things. So these are the important dates, right? Up until 19th it will be active, so we have only like very less amount of time. So I hope all of you can apply, whoever have given gate, right? Whoever given gate in the previous years, they can apply. Okay, so schedule will be notified later in the email. So these are the centers of examination. Only in these places, right, examination will happen, right? Not anywhere else for the stage 1 written examination basically. And for stage 2 interview, you have to go to New Delhi, right? So yeah, just read the few instruction, what are the things that you need to apply, like upload photos and all those things, right? Just read all those things. I think that's it most probably. Yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.